Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series of the job role Soil and Water Testing Lab Assistant for Class 11th, Unit 1, Introduction to the Soil, Session 5. In the previous video, we have seen the physical properties related to the soil like soil aggregation, moisture content, saturation, field capacity and permanent wilting point. Student, in this session, you will learn about chemical properties of the soil. Student, do you know what are the different chemical properties of the soil? So let us understand these questions with the following properties, which include soil pH, electrical conductivity, soil organic carbon, and available nutrient. Now let us look into the first chemical properties, that is soil pH. Technically, soil pH is the measure of the acidity or the alkalinity of the soil. pH is defined as the negative logarithms of the active hydrogen ion concentration. As hydrogen ion concentration varies over a wide range, a logarithmic scale is used for pH measurement. The pH scales range from 0 to 40. Student, now let us look into the scale of the soil pH and how we can define in terms of acidity or alkalinity. The pH 7 is termed as a neutral. Lowers the pH, which is less than 7, depicts the increased amount of hydrogen ion concentration, which leads to soil to be acidic. Similarly, if the soil pH is higher than 7, it means more hydroxyl ion, then the soil is termed to be more alkaline. It is one of the most important factors in the plant growth as it influences the nutrient availability, toxicity in the plants, and the activities of the microorganisms inside soil. In typical soil, most of the essential nutrients for the plants are available in the range of pH 6.5 to 7.5, which is measured with the help of an instrument known as soil pH meter. The next chemical properties of soil, that is electrical conductivity. It is actually the measure of the amount of the salt present in the soil. Soil contains various types of the salts. For example, salts of calcium, sodium and potassium, salts of sulfates, chlorides and carbonates or bicarbonates also. Salt has a direct influence on the seed germination, root growth and uptake of the nutrient in the plant. Excess of these salts adversely affect the plant nutrient availability, crop yield, crop suitability and activities of the soil microorganism. Soil with a higher concentration of the sodium salt have problems such as poor soil structure, poor infiltration or drainage, and toxicity for many crops. Students, the next chemical properties of the soil, that is available nutrient. In soil, the nutrients element are present in soil either as a soluble or insoluble form. Those elements which are readily available for the plant are termed as a soluble or also known as a available nutrient. The available nutrients are usually much less than the total amount of the nutrient which is present in the soil. In soil, most of the nutrients are available within a pH range of 6.5 to 7.5. This pH range is also considered very suitable for root growth. Students, let us look into various factors which affect the nutrient availability in plant, and here they are. First is soil pH, then water content, followed by the soil organic matter, soil temperature, and finally the clay content. So student, let us summarize what we have learned in this lecture. We have learned about the different chemical properties of the soil, which includes the soil pH, which is defined as the negative logarithms of active hydrogen ion concentration, electrical conductivity, which is the measure of the amount of the salt present in the soil, available nutrient. The soil elements are present in the soil either as a soluble or as an insoluble form. So student, that's all from this session. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.